We're here after a long time, and we're seeing some trains.
Where are we?
Devlali station.
Go, Ili.
We are Devlali station. There's a couple more trains. There it comes. Eli, move back. Stand here.
Devlali!
So with the picking, now you don't know which one is coming. Passenger or hiking?
Passenger, yes, very good. I think it's a fast one. I think it's a passenger train.
Passenger train.
Passenger. Now stand there. Ernakulam Nizamuddin. Ernakulam
Ernakulam
Nizamuddin.
Nizamuddin.
This train was